Alright, we're getting ready to do a carpet, and this is all for pets. So, just to give you an idea. This is all from a couple dogs.
Well, a couple of dogs and a couple of people.
Yeah, a couple of people to make a lot of messes.
They're messy, yeah.
We're not going to try to show the bedroom because it's just too hard to show what's going on in there.
It's just an area rug thrown over a carpet and it's nothing to see.
Yeah. Now this is one of those we didn't promise a whole lot on this. So we're just going to do what we can with it. I guess it's been this way for about 3 months now. So
it's been 3 or 4 months since it's been cleaned.
Yeah, so yeah. We'll see what happens, and this is some old worn out carpet too. So stay tuned. We're going to pre-spray real quick and we'll get right back to it. Alright, we're going to show, these are the Challenger bonnets we just got sent by Thibodaux, Carpet Muscle. And there's the Challenger pad driver. It's already on the machine. That's a fiber pad underneath it just to protect the Velcro. And we're going to use these to clean in here today. So he said give them a good evaluation. So here we go, huh?
Here we go.
Trial by fire. Alright. You about ready to start?
Pretty quick.
Alright.
Let me put this over here. Well, let's see what happens. This almost isn't fair for anything to have to do his first debut in a place like this.
Yeah, this is
I gotta admit, it's working good. Now, we've done other stuff with the Challenger bonnets, we just haven't had nothing we could video yet, so...
Nothing bad enough to be worth making a video with.
But the Challenger pad driver is what we're using, and the Challenger bonnets.
I'll put Corey's information in the description, so if you want these, what you do is call his number and leave him a text message. He would rather you do that. If you try to call him on the phone and talk to him, or if you try to get a hold of him on Facebook or something like that, he doesn't always have time to respond to those. But a text message, he can get back with you later.
Now stay close, because this is the what you call your money shot.
Well, let me...
Just stay where you're at, just kind of keep up.
Okay.
It's just taking all the dirt right out and right into the bonnet.
Yeah, it's working pretty good. Actually, I wasn't expecting very much from this amount of load. What happened was, because of COVID, they haven't been inspecting these people every month like they were, so they had about a 3-month pass. So they haven't bothered to get anything cleaned up, and now they're nervous because they think they're going to start doing the inspections again on them. So they decided to go ahead and get this cleaned up.
Well, they had a friend kicked out of these apartments for hoarding.
Yeah,
and for being messy in general, and that got them scared straight. So they contacted us and said, "Can you help us?" It's like, "Yeah, you pay me." So we're getting paid and they're getting help. It's a mutual agreement. But anyway, these Challenger bonnets, I'm gonna tell you guys something.
They're working pretty good.
If you don't have these, you need these. This pad driver, it works good. And the Challenger bonnets, we've never really done a dirty enough carpet yet to bother showing them off until now.
Yeah, these are a cotton poly blend, and they seem to be working really good. They're about a, I think 14 inch.
I think Corey says they're 50-50 cotton, and you got to step over here. I think they're 50-50 cotton and 50-50. I mean, they're cotton and polyester, so they're good. They slide fast. They absorb good because they're all cotton. I mean, I gotta say, I'm impressed.
Yeah, I'll put a link in the video description for the Oreck, and I'll put the information if you want to contact Corey Thibodaux about getting these pads. And I'd get the pad driver too. And,
yeah, if you don't have the pad driver, this thing runs smooth as butter.
Yeah.
I figured it being wood, it'd be a little heavier and maybe put some drag on the Oreck, but it don't. It's just beautiful. It makes the machine just run like a champ.
He just ran the vacuum, and
Yeah.
so there's little stuff.
Well, there's running the vacuum and there's running the vacuum.
Well, that pad reached and grabbed some stuff that's over on the edge where the vacuum didn't reach. So.
Now, if you see some stuff that looks like it didn't come out, it came out. It's just these carpets are shot out. They got stuff in them that's years old.
Yeah.
These carpets are 20 years old. They're original carpets. We used to know the lady that lived up here, and she lived up here for 10 years before she moved out. And these people took it over. They've been here like, I don't know, 8 or 9 years.
Well, they'll have the carpets the way they look. They'll have them looking that way within about 4 days.
They get them dirty, yeah.
Yeah. They don't take their pets out when the pets need to go, so it doesn't take very long to pile up.
Yeah, buddy.
Yeah, those actually did pretty good. I was surprised they took that stuff out as quickly as they did.
Now, when I use bonnets on video, since nobody's seen them work before, not by us, I like to run them hard. So what I do is, I don't change them out every 10 feet. I run a bonnet through a house and watch it absorb the whole place up, because they will. There's this misnomer out there that you need to change a bonnet every 40 seconds. And if you want to do that, you can. We don't do it. We never have. We've always had great results.
No.
So do how you will, but this is our method, and we ain't changing. Let me. You both leave the camera on.
I'm gonna show the haul a little bit, and then I'm gonna stop.
I'm gonna spray and clean the hall, and then that's all we're gonna do on video, because there's an area rug in a bedroom. And nobody wants to see that.
Yeah.
It's real colored. You can't even see what it looks like.
Well, maybe it'll start smelling a little bit better in here. Maybe a little bit.
Well.
So you can look at like this table here, and you can see. I mean, this is just kind of how it is everywhere, and I think one of the people up here, they've got a really bad infection right now, like a skin infection. So we're trying not to touch anything, because you don't want to get a staph infection. But I think they're going to have to clean their place up a little bit. They kind of got lazy for 3 months, and now it's catching up with them.
Sure enough is.
So.
They're scared straight though. They had a friend get kicked out of here about a month and a half ago for hoarding and being just unclean in general, and they're terrified it could happen to them.
Well, and I know right now that they're trying to track down a roach problem, and they're trying to figure out where they're coming from.
Going to the bedroom.
And I think it's a likely candidate for a huge source of it.
There's a chance it's coming from here. I mean,
I'm gonna stand here to. That's all right, you know. People are people. And
people are people. Yeah, we don't judge them. I mean, we just
do it.
Recognize it.
We'll get the carpet looking good, and then we'll get out of here, and they can do whatever with the rest.
Yeah. If they want to wait another month or two to get it cleaned, and they don't vacuum between now and then, we don't care. The important part of this video is we're showing our friend Thibodaux sent us a Challenger pad driver, and he sent us 8 Challenger bonnets, and we're showing those off. And
you can see
you want these things for yourself.
Yeah, you can see they're really. This is one bonnet that's done this so far, and it's done a good job.
If you can clean this with one bonnet, imagine what you could do if you had 8 or 10 of them.
Yeah, well, you may need to burn the bonnet when you're done, but it works.
It's just taking stuff right out. I gotta admit, these bonnets, they really absorb quick. I've got other bonnets I like that are real thin. I don't know mention the name of them, but these work at least as good as them, if not better. I'm highly impressed with them.
Well, he said we'll.
He said we'd be impressed.
And we are.
And he was telling the truth. I'm impressed. They work good and they work fast. And remember, I've done a lot of dirt with this, and it's still picking up because the carpets is getting clean. So. Boy, these are so dirty, I'm not sure when to quit.
Yeah.
But that's good enough.
We'll stop the video here, and we got a little bit more to do. That's the gist of it. You're not going to be able to see
The
any.
rest of it's off-camera stuff. It's nothing to
Yeah.
be interesting.
Anyway, just wanted to show you. These are the pads right here. It's Challenger on them. And they've been out a few months now.
Oh, and I leave the pad driver on the machine all the time. I don't take it off like I did with the Oreck pad driver because it's not got spikes. So I put this on the bottom of it to get the Velcro something to stick to it so it don't flatten out.
Yeah. Well, anyway, that's all for this one. I hope you guys enjoyed that, and check the video description. Hope you'll catch our next video coming out soon. We hope. I guess till next time. Thanks for watching.